Welcome to an exclusive interview. Shri Satish Lokhande Saab, Commissioner BBMC, courtesy India. Sir, how and where you spent your childhood days?
I was spent in Pune. My entire education was in Pune. I am a postgraduate in agriculture.
Okay. So, what is your date of birth?
My date of birth is 1st May 1964.
You always wanted to become an IAS?
No, it was not like that. When I was studying in college, it happened with all the students studying together, nothing was decided. Nothing was decided.
Then how you choose the IAS?
In my college, a lot of students were qualified for UPSC and all that. I got the inspiration from them and I started studying. Nothing was decided.
Tell us about your achievements so far in various postings.
I'll tell you my basic. Last posting was I worked as CEO Jilla Parishad Samri. I was instrumental in upgrading the health infrastructure there.
Okay.
It was the topmost infrastructure in the state. They were number one in the state. With our team of doctors, we upgraded the infrastructure, good infrastructure in Samri district.
Health related.
Health infrastructure. And there were various water supply schemes which were different. More than 63 water supply schemes were different. Out of them, more than 50 were started. Most important achievement was in upgrading of the health centers.
And others?
Basically, I got measured what I was in Mantralayam.
Which department?
I had worked in various departments. I have worked in revenue, I worked in housing,
Okay.
I worked in excise, I worked in labor, I worked in non-commercial. I worked in various, not a single this thing, I worked in non-commercial energy. Non-commercial energy, labor, excise, forest, environment.
Kindly elaborate on the most challenging assignment in your career so far.
Now this is the most challenging assignment.
Okay.
As Commissioner BCMC, the most challenging assignment is a newly formed corporation.
Last 4 years.
It's adjoining to Mumbai, and all the challenges which are in Mumbai, they are extended to Vasai. Now Mumbai is developed there, but it is third Mumbai now. And the population more than 12 lakhs, now it will be census population is 12 lakhs, but actually the population is more than 15 lakhs.
15 lakhs.
And there are a lot of challenges to rotate the new corporation. And this is the most challenging work.
How do you look at the opportunity in your career as a municipal commissioner in BBMC?
I have always wanted to be a municipal commissioner, basically. That I can tell. I always wanted to be a CEO of a Jilla Parishad, and I always wanted to be a municipal commissioner. Because both these roles are very positive roles, in which you can directly help people. And collector is a regulatory role, more of it. But I would always like to work as a CEO Jilla Parishad and municipal.
Direct interaction with the public.
Direct interaction with public, the local bodies. And I always wanted to work as a municipal commissioner.
Okay. The roads in the cities often see congestions due to movement of heavy trucks engaged by industrial units. What is your solution about it?
Highway authority, see, I am mostly concerned with my city. Highway is a separate authority to look into. The traffic department is the highway department. And if they need any help, I am there to help them.
Illegal encroachment and load bearing in Vasai Virar municipal jurisdiction are huge. How you are going to control it?
Yeah, it is a major challenge here. The illegal encroachment is a major challenge here. And we have taken up this issue. There are already many PRs filed in the Honorable High Court regarding this. And we have taken up this issue. We have already enlisted and Google mapped all these encroachments. We have a data of all these Google encroachments. And we have taken up a systematic drive with the help of police, revenue authorities and our people. And it is going on. And most of the reserve plots of the corporation which are encroached, we are clearing that at the first instance. And in the first instance, we are clearing all commercial shops, godowns, partly occupied buildings, unoccupied buildings, plinths. They are clearing that. And as far as people who are staying for many years, these people have been cheated basically.
Right.
So I have not touched that part now at this stage, but other enforcements we are doing every day.
Demolition drive going on under your supervision at Nalasopara area since
Yeah.
last so many days.
Yeah.
What officials are facing hurdles?
There are no hurdles, nobody is obstructing me, nobody is pressurizing me. I have support of everybody, and that's why this is going on.
In spite of spending so much public money on the illegal demolition structure, land grabbers are again going to reconstruct same illegal
And that is
process.
a continuous process. Now we are going to fence we are already prepared plan to fence our open plots. That plan is separate. We are putting up security there, and we are fencing our plots clear areas and which are vacant areas.
However. So you are focusing on the reserve ground.
Because that is my job.
It is alleged that non-cadres don't have Samaritan hearts, like G.R. Kharna, who did not spare even places of worship. You two are on a demolition drive. Kindly
No,
comment.
see, for place of worship, now there are orders of the Honorable Supreme Court. They have to classify in categories, certain categories, which can be regularized, which cannot be regularized, and which be abolished. So that is the legal process going on. We have published a notification of inviting objection suggestions. So that is a sensitive issue that will be handled as per the Honorable Supreme Court's order.
What it takes to demolish people's dream houses, or is it just because the law doesn't permit you to tolerate encroachment?
It is very painful to demolish poor people's houses because they have taken these houses, they have been cheated, and they have taken money from somebody, borrowed some money, taken loans, and they have constructed. It's very difficult to have a house in a metropolitan region. It's very painful to do this, but at this stage, what I am telling you repeatedly, I have told my officers not to touch houses, which people are selling for many years, and the houses which are being ready, those I am demolishing. For a while.
Not occupied.
At present, I am not doing this. At present.
In such cases, who is the culprit? The officer who takes bribe from child mafia industry, unlawful
That is a
construction.
very lovely topic. Here what happens, one who constructs is not there. So what I have appealed to them, people who are residing in this building, that they should come forward and give us an undertaking from whom they have brought the houses.
Okay.
Give us the names, so we can file a FIR against them with additional evidence under MRTP Act. So that those who are constructing can be booked. So,
But state officers are ground and grassroots workers. They know ups and downs very well than an executive head. Don't you think such people make better executive officers?
it certainly depends on attitude of a person.
Okay.
An efficient person having a right attitude will give results. But an efficient person having a wrong attitude will not give results. So good attitude and efficiency is important.
Do you give any credit to destiny? Do people blame you for crushing their dreams, or do they blame their ill fate and destiny?
I have not crushed anybody's dreams. I have crushed the dreams of the illegal constructors, not the people who are residing here.
From Sangli to Vasai Virar, what change did you notice?
Now, I am familiar with this area. I have been in this area for a long time. Vasai is not new for me. People here are not new for me. Most of the people know me here. They know my way of working. So I have absolutely no opposition, and I have total cooperation from all departments, government, non-government, officials, non-officials. So absolutely I am working in this way. So there is no objection.
Politicians here are alleged for the having died under world leaks. Are you scared for had they
I am not.
treated you to stop demolition?
Nobody has demolition, and I don't know anybody.
What are your plans for the better Vasai Virar?
See, basically, Vasai Virar needs basic what people need are good roads, footpaths to walk, water, a sewage system, gardens, and no congested places. We need good children, good hospital. So we have plans. Markets. So we have plans. See, we are planning our 100 MLD water supply going to be commissioned within 3 months. We have 131 MLD. Additional 100 MLD is being commissioned after 3 months. Our sewage system work, we already submitted a proposal. We with the government, and one STP is already been constructed with Virar West. We have 9 STPs. There are problems of land being CRZ area, but we are sorting out. That is the issue. Then regarding solid waste management is the biggest challenge for us. Solid waste management. So we are working on that waste to energy plant. We have already prepared DPR. There are 3 issues which are facing, major issues of priority. Then our office building is the one of priority, new office building. And basically I'm basically focusing on facelifting the look of the city now. Clean city, green city, well managed city. What the people need right now. And water supply, sewerage, solid waste management. Cleanliness is 100% we are doing. Everywhere, door-to-door collection. So the minimum needs of the people are different. We will go step by step for the infrastructure.
In comparison to other corporations like BMC, PMC, MBMC, how BMC is competing there?
BCMC has a different challenge, I told you. Here, see, we have all the limitations here because our whole of the land is CRZ land. We have the national forest here. We have wetlands. We have salt-pan land. So expansion in this area is a difficulty. However, our development plan is already ready. We are submitted to the government, and we do it in a planned way.
What are the strength of BBMC and challenges you are facing?
Strength is what is happening. Most of them are local here, and excepting for few pockets, it is a disciplined city. Only thing is it needs to be channelized. Good leadership, it needs to be channelized. It can be a very good city.
According to you, what अच्छा ये तो हो गया अच्छा. Career so far?
No, I was always comfortable everywhere. With official and non-officials, I was always acceptable.
What support you are expecting from a state chief minister Devendra Fadnavis for the city?
He is most positive chief minister, and he is pro-urban development, and he is looking a lot for urban city development. He is pro-positive for urban development.
Is there any special you require any special consideration in the favor of the Vasai Virar?
No, at present, no. They are the state is already helping us.
Who is your role model, sir?
No role model as such. But I have many role models. Whichever is good, I take up. And
You wanted to quote any name?
I don't know, because there are many role models in my life. Even small tune is also a role model, because every person has got a good quality which you should take from him. It is not that a big person should.
Everybody is having good and bad.
Everybody has a good quality. So everybody is a role model who is a good person.
Okay.
And basically, I want, apart from a good officer, I want to be a good human being first.
How do you spend your
And
leisure
you should
time?
be more sensitive towards the down-to-earth section, on the under-to-earth section, weaker section. Maybe what to say, disabled people,
Okay, handicapped.
people, disabled people, who are the deprived section. Self-help groups of women, which are the deprived section.
Okay.
Be more sensitive to their needs, to what people need, more sensitive.
How you spend your leisure time? Do you find some leisure time for you?
Yeah, because I go for swim every day.
Okay, very good.
I go for swim. I watch movies.
Any sport you like?
I swim nicely. I like swim.
Which kind of movie?
All
Like
movies I see.
all,
Yeah.
Marathi, Hindi, and
Everything.
like Shivaji Maharaj, Alok Manya Tilak.
Every movie or say whatever I like, I see.
What are your suggestions for youngsters who aspire to take up the UPSC?
See, this is the best service which a country can offer. We have a lot of opportunities to fulfill your desires to work for the people. And more being intelligent is not important. Apart from being intelligent, you should have the right attitude to serve the people. Being intelligent is not only, it is important, but the basic attitude to to serve the people or to for the welfare of the people. That is more important. Government should deliver.
Okay.
Government should deliver.
So this is a good job for the main
Yeah,
social.
youngsters should more and more youngsters come forward.
Okay. What message would you like to give to your department and to our readers through India now?
I don't want to give any message to leaders. I am not that
No,
confident.
not leader. Reader.
Leaders.
हाँ,
yeah?
और अपने डिपार्टमेंट ऑफिशियल्स को क्या कहना चाहिए?
See, this is everybody should work for the upliftment of society in their own ways. Whether it is an NGO, whether it is a self-help group, whether students, everybody can contribute to society, and because they can strengthen the administration if they come together. So it should be a joint effort with all society members contributing the administration, and administration being sensitive to their needs.
Any message wanted to give to the citizen of Vasai Virar?
Now they should always now be cooperate with us for everything what we do, especially cleanliness. Apart from our cleanliness, they should also be take precautions of not dirtying the public places. They should not do illegal encroachment. Okay. They should be law-abiding citizens.
Thank you very much, sir.